It is time once again for the Fab, the Fit, and the Fun. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Winter FabFitFun box. If you are not familiar with what this giant box is a seasonal fashion, fitness, lifestyle, beauty subscription, and it comes once a season. They do allow you to customize a lot of the things that are in the box, so you're much more likely to feel like you got your bang for your buck. If that sounds interesting to you, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. Honestly, the first couple were really hard for me to choose because I felt like there were so many things I was interested in. I'm like, how the heck am I gonna pick? And I gotta be honest, I'm so glad I chose the Robe. It is so comfy and soft. I feel like a giant fuzzy marshmallow. It's very cozy. I love this thing. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I wanna take this off. And it does have a hood on it, and then there's pockets, and then you saw that there's the tie on there. Really like it. So I chose the Lily Pulitzer mugs, and they are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, wait till you see these things. They're absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, for reals. Oh, did I mention you get two? You get two. Yeah, love that for me. So what I did choose was the Tula Eye Balm. I used it as just kind of glow on my face, on my cheekbones, and it looked really pretty. And it does have that cooling feeling on the skin. I do also like it as kind of a little bit of a glow on my face when I'm not wearing foundation. I love these stinking cutting boards. I know it sounds silly, but I cook dinner for my family every single night. So I don't even know how I lasted this long without plastic cutting boards. I honestly don't. But one thing I like about these too is if you don't like mixing your cutting boards, they have little symbols on the bottom so that you can keep them separate. They're just really nice cutting boards. Did I mention that I really like the cutting boards? I am very happy with my Winter FabFitFun box. Thank you so much for hanging out as long as you did. Mad love to you, and I'll see you in a video very soon.